go from uncertain morphing faces to exactly the same character. Therefore, here is the first tip that reduces the number of ruined images with your character. We can additionally focus the generator's attention on the face. To do this, we can make the following additions to our prompts. The first thing you can do is to say that the character's face should be the most detailed and sharpest object in the picture. This is not some kind of magic spell that will make the character 100% consistent every time, but this way we definitely make it clear that the face is the most important element of the composition. We can complement this with a specific description of our character's facial features. If you want to simplify the process, you can upload a reference to Gemini or ChatGPT and ask it to write a description. This can be either individual facial features or a full description of the appearance. You can simply copy this description and update your prompts. With these simple additions, your character won't turn into a completely different person, even if you apply unusual camera angles. When you need to convey strong, vivid emotions, you don't need to push the facial expressions to the absolute limit. In fact, exaggerating the face often forces the AI to output a generic, inconsistent look. Instead of distorting the facial features, shift your focus to the posture. Body language can be just as expressive as a face. As you can see from these examples, the pose tells the whole story without breaking the character's face. Here is what the result will look like if I integrate one of these prompts with the emotion description into a scene with the character in a garden. Her face is completely calm, but combined with that pose, she looks even more heartbroken. Now, let's look at another example where I wanted her to look super confident. Notice how the face stays calm enough, but changing the pose completely shifts the energy. Last but definitely not least, forget about multi-step iterative editing on a single image. When you edit the same image over and over, the face loses detail and gets blurry with every single step, even if the pose doesn't change. If you try to change the pose or camera angle midway, the quality degrades exponentially. This rule applies whether you're using Nano Banana inside Gemini or via third-party platforms. Here's the fix. If you really want, go ahead and do your multi-step edits to get the scene right, but don't use the final image. Instead, write down the description of that final version of the scene and use it as a brand new prompt paired with your original character reference. So in my case, I need to spell it out in the prompt. It's a high-angle shot, she's wearing a plain blue strapless dress, has a bob cut, and she's fixing her hair with her left hand. Yes, on half of the generated images, she is actually using her right hand, but you got the point. That's all for today. I hope these 3 tips help you out. Hit subscribe so you don't miss upcoming deep dives into character consistency.